Good morning, all my YouTube friends. Today we will go over a few things that you need to build your PC. The first thing you're going to need is, of course, screwdriver. Preferably, the tip must be magnetized. This is just to fix your motherboard, your power supply, to fasten your motherboard onto your standoffs, to insert your power supply, even your SSD, your NVMe's. But we can use a smaller piece of pliers for your NVMe. You can use some cable ties to fasten your cables at the back of your PC to make it neat. And then, a side cutter to knip off just to shorten your cable ties or take off the excess cable tie. That will be the tools you need to build a PC. Easy as that. All my YouTube friends, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.